Na corner po ng school bukol graduate na si Kaya kung anganganga kayo, ang umanga man lang po kay Marcoleta, yung mga DDS. Kung anganganga kayo kay Marcoleta, na-outsmart siya, na-corner siya kung sa boxing. Ni Tito Sen, na graduate sa school bukol, Itbulaga, school bukol. Hindi nangyari yung dismissal, motion to dismiss niya. Nanaig mga kababayan si Tito Sen. Hello po mga kababayan, si Dante Maravillas, Bicolano vlogger, broadcast journalist from Albay. O yung mga DDS, mga kababayan, tuwang-tuwa kasi panalo daw sila sa naging desisyon ng Senado na i-archive yung impeachment case laban kay Sara Duterte. Bakit kayo natutuwa? Na sa totoo lang, panalo po ang impeachment. Yung mga pro-impeachment trial, panalo kami. Panalo si Tito Sen na ipa-archive. Kasi yung motion po ni Senator Marcoleta is to dismiss. Hindi nangyari yung motion to dismiss. Kasi kumontra mga kababayan yung Senate Minority Leader, si Tito Sen. Inilibate pa nga niya, mga kababayan sana, to table lang po. Motion to table, yung motion to dismiss. From motion to dismiss to archive to table. Pero I think strategy lang yun ni Tito Sen. Kasi po, ang talagang objective niya is to archive. Itabi mo na habang inihintay yung result ng motion for reconsideration ng Congress na final po sa Senado nung Monday. Sa Supreme Court nung Monday through the Solicitor General. So ang ibig sabihin, mga kababayan, buhay pa rin yung impeachment case. Hindi po nailibing ng majority ng mga senador. Madaling sabi, they failed to kill the impeachment case. Paano kayo nagsasaya? Mali yung understanding ninyo po. Naisan kayo, matalino po si School Bukol. Mas matalino si School Bukol, Tito Sen. Kaysa ditong mga sinasabing magagaling na abogado tulad ni Chis Escudero, ni Marcoleta, ni Alan Peter Cayetano. Mabuhay ang Magnificent Five. Panalo. Iba niya, Mr. Maravillas, ang analysis mo. Anong ibang analysis ko? Hindi lang ako may ganitong posisyon, mga kababayan, at pagkaintindi. Kasi napakalinaw. Yung motion to dismiss, hindi nangyari. Kundi motion to archive na lang. Ang ibig sabihin, buhay na buhay pa. Ano ang ebidensya? Yan po sabi ni Congressman Chua. Defiant Chua, sabi rito sa report ng Manila Bulletin, says Senate's archiving of BP Duterte impeachment not checkmate. O, di ba? Hindi po yan checkmate. Buhay na buhay pa. In-archive lang, isinantabi mo na. So, ibig sabihin, mga kababayan, anytime, pwedeng hugutin sa archive ang impeachment case laban kay Sara Duterte. Buhay pa ang impeachment case laban kay Sara. Walang dapat na ipagsaya yung mga DDS. Mali yung inyong pagparty-party. Sa totoo lang, na-outsmart mga kababayan ni Tito Sen na mula lang sa Itbulaga, school bukol. Kita ninyo? Tuloy ang impeachment. Sabi ni Congressman Chua, it is not a checkmate. A defiant Manila 3rd District Representative Joel Chua had this to say, even as the members of the upper chamber seemingly dusted off their hands of the House of Representatives initiated impeachment case. We shall not be deterred in our quest for accountability. The Senate action today is not a checkmate. Paliwanag ni Chua. We are merely at an impasse. This game, is far from over. We still have strong moves to make in this high-stakes battle for justice and accountability. Madaling sabi mga kababayan, hindi pa tapos ang boxing. Nag-rest lang yung boxer. Pahinga mo na ha. Huwag mo nang magsuntukan. May inaayos pa eh. Yan ang in effect, ganun po, by analogy, mga kababayan. Walang dapat na ikalungkot ang mga pro-impeachment nating mga kababayan, pro-accountability. Walang dapat na ipagmaktol. Ngayon, i-share ko ito sa inyong napakagandang analysis ng isang abogado pa. Isa pang abogado, si Congressman Chua, abogado, at parte ng prosecution panel ng Congress. Ngayon, i-share ko sa inyo ang isang analysis na napakalinaw. Mga kababayan, na dapat huwag tayong malungkot na mga pro-accountability. Kasi sa totoo lang, panalo tayo. Hindi nagawa ng mga pro-Duterte senators na patayin yung impeachment case laban kay Sara Duterte. Lalong dumami yung tagahanga po ni Tito Sen na hindi man abogado, na outsmart niya yung mga magagaling na abogado sa Senado. Ayan the rising statesman, Senate Minority Leader Vicente Tito Soto III. Sabi rito, comedy worlds misfit from One Ball University puts to shame lawyers of the highest pedigree and actually solves the Sara impeachment case impasse. Magaling si Tito Sen. Ito po yung analysis ng isang abogado na si Attorney Joel Rodriguez Dizon. Sabi niya, archive simply means the case is put on ice. Pinalamig mo na, not dismissed, but not moving along its intended course for the time being. I'd be careful to compare it with the concept of archiving as applied in criminal cases, where it equates to provisional dismissal. The case is really dismissed for all intents and purposes, except the judge defers to a reservation by the prosecutor to revive the case when a stalled element rights itself, like a bench warrant is finally served perhaps. But there is an unwritten collatilla there that if the prosecution does not lift a finger for an inordinately prolonged period, the provisional dismissal becomes permanent, usually after the lapse of a specific period included in the order to archive. So sabi ni Attorney Dizon, so archiving in the criminal proceedings must be taken in the context of the apparent disposition of the court. Sometimes a case will be archived in the sense that the court would love to continue with the proceedings but cannot because of some temporary impediment. Sabi ni Attorney Dizon, other times a case is archived because the court would really love to dismiss it already because it's going nowhere except the prosecutor still has not thrown in the towel. In the Sara Duterte impeachment case, archiving is more like freezing all movement because any next move is error waiting to explode in your face. Nobody could assure anybody else of the consequence of any action. So archiving is a mode of avoiding an unforeseen mistake. Sabi niya, but don't forget that the original motion by Senator Rodante Marcoleta was to dismiss the impeachment case outright. If that motion, unamended, had been put to a vote and yielded the 19-5 result, will not be talking of any more impeachment cases until February 6, 2025. Pero sabi niya, but Senate Minority Floor Leader Vicente Tito Soto interpellated Senator Marcoleta and drove him into a corner. Sabi ni Tito Sen, what happens anya if we dismiss this case and then the Supreme Court grants the motion for reconsideration? Sabi ni Marcoleta, that question anya is speculative. Sagot ni Soto, yes, may I have a
speculative answer. Soto post on.
Na corner po ng school bukol graduate na si Kaya kung angang-hanga kayo, ang umanga man lang po kay Marcoleta, yung mga DDS. Kung angang-hanga kayo kay Marcoleta, na-outsmart siya, na-corner siya kung sa boxing. Ni Tito Sen, na graduate sa school bukol, Itbulaga, school bukol. Hindi nangyari yung dismissal, motion to dismiss niya. Nanaig mga kababayan si Tito Sen. Gusto pa sana ni Tito Sen na gawing mas mataas yung level sa archive. Ilagay natin niya sa on the table. Motion to table. Kaya lang hindi nanalo doon. Natalo sa botohan. Pero nanalo mga kababayan. Yung gusto ni Tito Sen na hindi na halata na talagang yung true intention niya is to archive. Hindi po madismiss. Kasi yung agenda sana ng mga Duterte senators outright i-dismiss na yung kaso. Impeachment case laban kay Sara. Hindi nangyari po. Kaya ang akala ninyo, nanalo kayo. Hindi po, panalo si Tito Sen. Kasi ang ibig sabihin, buhay pa yung impeachment. Na-archive lang. Na anytime na lumabas, timbawa, favorable ang desisyon. Na-reverse yung desisyon ng Supreme Court. So, ang mangyayari, huhugutin lang yung in-archive na impeachment case para ipagpatuloy ang impeachment trial. Naintindihan na ninyo, mga DDS at mga Duterte senators. Na-outsmart kayo ni Tito Sen. Magaling sa dama. Hindi yan abogado po. Well-versed sa parliamentary procedure po siya, expert. Magaling maglaro. Si Tito Sen, na hindi abogado, tinalo sa suksok ng pyesa sa chess yung mga senador allied with Duterte. Nagets na ninyo? Na-corner po si Marcoleta ni Tito Sen, but Senate Minority Floor Leader Vicente Tito Soto interpolated Senator Marcoleta and drove him into a corner. What happens if we dismiss this case and then the Supreme Court grants the motion for reconsideration? Tanong mga kababayan ni Tito Sen. That question is speculative, sabi ni Marcoleta. Yes, may I have a speculative answer, sabi po ni Tito Sen. Matalino si Tito Sen. Marcoleta said he was not very good at speculating. He prepared to avoid second guessing before he realized that the phrase really meant therefore be certain. And since he did not want to speculate, how can we be certain about anything? Tama. So napaamin mga kababayan ni Tito Sen na hindi ka ngayon pala sigurado. So kung hindi ka sigurado, di paano tayo magiging sigurado sa anumang bagay? O diba? Na-corner si Marcoleta po. Nawala yung pagiging legal luminary ni Marcoleta. Na puring-puri ng mga DDS. Oblivious ng reality. Na panalo mga kababayan yung agenda ni Tito Sen na i-archive imbes na i-dismiss. O diba? Pag in-archive po, pinatulog muna. Matulog ka na muna, dyan ka muna, pero pwede siyang gisingin. Pero kung pinatay mo ng tuluyan, outright dismissal, hindi mo na pwedeng buhayin ang patay na. Nagets na ninyo? Kung gaano ka-smart, katalinis si Tito Sen na graduate sa school bukol. O diba, mga kababayan? Kaya sabi ni Atty. Dizon, I almost fell off my chair laughing. The parliamentary one-third of the Tito, Vic and Joey comic franchise, Tito Soto, delinquent misfit from the mythical One Ball University of TV sitcom School Bukol, put the distinguished lawyer Marcoleta, shining alumnus of San Sebastian College, University of the Philippines, DPA, LLB siya sa San
sa San Sebastian College, DPA sa University of the Philippines, and University of the East, MBA, to a stalemate. Naisahan po kung sa boxing, na uppercut. Biglang na uppercut, mga kababayan, sa panga. Hindi umubra yung abogado. Gustong immediately, outright, i-dismiss. I-dismiss forthwith. Panalo si Tito Sen. Yan yung sinabi ni Tito Sen noon, let us not dismiss forthwith. Nauna nang sinabi ni Soto sa sesyon na hindi dapat magmadali ang Senado sa pag-dismiss sa impeachment complaint. Anya, may motion for reconsideration ay inihain ng Kamara sa desisyon ng Korte Suprema na ideklarang ang constitutional ang impeachment. We shall wait for the resolution of this motion for reconsideration. Let us allow and give chance to the Supreme Court to rectify its decision, which contains a clear and blatant errors for their sake and for future impeachment proceedings, sabi po ni Soto. So panalo si Soto, mga kababayan, let us not dismiss forthwith. Hindi nga na-dismiss forthwith, mga kababayan, in-archive lang. Bumoto ngayon, sinabmit sa butuhan, panalo si Tito Sen. Bakit? Yung original motion po is for dismissal. Di ba napakagaling yung maniobra strategy, mga kababayan, yung suksok ni Tito Sen, kasi hindi po na-dismiss ng Senado, na-archive lang. Pwedeng buhayin, pwedeng hugutin anytime. Once na nagdesisyon yung Supreme Court, ni-reverse niya yung unang pagdeklara na ang constitutional yung impeachment case laban kay Sara Duterte. Kaya yun ang sinabi ni Congressman Chua. Senate's archiving of BP Duterte impeachment, not checkmate. Buhay na buhay, mga kababayan, pinatulog mo na at pwedeng gisingin anytime. Hindi patay ang impeachment case at siguradong hindi masaya si Sara Duterte sa nangyari kasi yung kanyang mga senador, mga kaalyansa niyang senador, failed to pose for the dismissal, to kill the impeachment case laban sa kanya. Baka bawiin yung sobre. Ano niya, Mr. Maravillas na sobre? Mahilig sa sobre siya doon. Kaya nga siya na-impeach. Kasama yung sobre. Yung, alam na ninyo. Yung sabi dito, Soto then concluded his interpellation by moving to table Marcoleta's motion to dismiss. That meant foregoing further discussions on it but keeping it on the agenda under the status of continuing pendency. For all intents and purposes, a motion to table is almost as good as motion to archive, sabi po ni Atty. Dizon. The only difference anya being that a matter that has been tabled is automatically included in the next meeting's agenda. So when the Senate President Chis Escudero stumbled all over himself, first declaring that Marcoleta's motion was lost, before correcting himself that the motion to amend the motion of Senator Marcoleta is the one that lost, there was suddenly an opportunity to harmonize the motion to dismiss with the motion to table, and it resulted in the motion to archive. Sabi ni Atty. Dizon, the pro-Duterte senators, buoyed by their earlier victory of scoring 19-5 and defeating the motion to table, then gladly voted 19-5 ulit in favor or the amended motion, which was to archive but not to dismiss. But that was precisely what the Soto motion was seeking to archive or to achieve in the first place. So Senator Soto, don't forget, he is the most senior and most grizzled veteran on the floor along with Senator Pampilo Lacson. The rest of the senators, especially the neophytes, are all went behind the ears, pulled a fast one. They never realized Soto could have moved to to archive the impeachment case directly. Instead, he moved to table the motion, which would effectively immobilize the motion. So the pro-Duterte senators quickly moved to rescue the motion by archiving the case and ended up doing exactly what they did not want to do. They did not want to keep the impeachment case alive. Now, not only is it still alive, it's totally safe in archive. There will be no discussion on it until the Supreme Court resolved the motion for reconsideration. But it was not dismissed. Naisan po ni Tito Sen. Panalo, mga kababayan, ang accountability. Kasi buhay ang impeachment case. Hindi na ipadismiss, na trap, na nasilo, tama na trap, sa motion, sa galing ng strategy na ginawa ni Tito Sen, nahulog sa patibong. Yung mga Duterte senators, hindi nila na ipadismiss, na ipa-archive lang. Ayun man talaga yung intensyon ni Tito Sen, ma-archive. Ang ibig sabihin, hindi napatay, hindi na-dismiss, buhay ang impeachment case laban kay Sara Duterte. Pag ni-reverse ng Supreme Court ang una nilang desisyon, tuloy ang impeachment trial. O di ba po, mga kababayan? Yan o, malinaw. It was not dismissed. But in the meantime, the Supreme Court decision was immediately executory, has suddenly lost its sting. It cannot be used to further extinguish a case that has been inadvertently placed in hibernation by the pro-Duterte senators, combined in attentiveness and inexperience. That is not what Sara Duterte wants, believe me, sabi ni Atty. Dizon. Ganon din ang aking paniwala kasi ang talagang gustong mangyari ng kampo ng Duterte, Duterte mismo, i-dismiss yung kaso. Without trial, hindi nangyari yon kasi na-archive lang po. Waiting for the result ng motion for reconsideration, decision, final decision ng Supreme Court. O ano kayo ngayon? Na-outsmart kayo ng isang hindi abogado, pero expert sa parliamentary procedure, a veteran in the Senate, most senior, naisahan kayo. Panalo si Tito Sen, panalo ang Magnificent Five. Sa mga naghanap ng malinis and spacious fitness gym, pumunta lang po kayo sa aming Colossal Fitness Gym. We also offer Grab Car Rental with our brand new 2023 model ng Toyota Innova. We also accept booking for those who are planning to travel via PAL, Cebu Pacific, and other airline companies, local and international, and bills payment for Meralco Bills, PLDT, Aleco Bills, etc. Ang Colossal Fitness Gym is located at 3rd floor Security Bank Building, Landco Business Park, Legazpi City, Albay. For inquiries, look for Chilon Maravillas. Contact number 0966-802-0949. Yan yung aming Innova. Lagi na pong matao sa amin. Pati mga foreigners po, tingnan ninyo. Mga British tourists sila. Ang lalaki ng katawan na, mga kababayan, nag-gym sa amin. Ito naman po, Indian National. Ito mga mga European sila. Ito naman yung bago naming product na binibenta online, Eye Glow Serum. Whitening po siya galing sa South Korea. Tingnan ninyo yung epekto sa aking anak na architect entrepreneur, Riz Maravillas. For inquiries, look for Riz Maravillas on FB. Ito naman po, Fairmax Firming and Lifting Cream. Pinapahid po ito sa mga pulses and affected area. Mainam po ito sa mga pains at paninigas na mga kaso-kasuan. Ito po, Automax Radiant Serum. Sa mukha naman yung application. Anti-aging po siya. You will look 10 years younger than your age. Ito naman po yung bagong product naming binibenta online. I am a worldwide amazing pure organic barley powder drink mix from Australia. Endorsed by cancer survivor actress Maritone Fernandez. Pwede kayong magnegosyo nito, mga kababayan. I-contact lang ninyo yung aking anak na si Riz Maravillas. Yan po. May promo kami ngayon. sa Amazing Barley. May mga travel incentives po ang company. Marami kaming stocks for your orders. Napaka-stable po ng aming company. I am Worldwide Corporation. Tingnan naman ninyo po, mga kababayan, big time. Mga big time po yung mga distributors. Tingnan naman ninyo, lahat may cars. Mga bata pa, ang mga kasali, mga kababayan sa company. Tingnan ninyo, mga distributors po. Ang mga benefits niya po, health benefits, boost immunity, improves digestion, enhances energy levels, packed with antioxidants, prevent cancer. For your business inquiries and orders, look for Riz Maravillas. Pwede din po sa akin, dumirekta kayo. Sa mga mahilig naman po sa mga imported bags and wallets, dumiretso na lang po kayo kay Ma'am Eileen Rosales, Eileen Closet po. Based in America po siya.